Hello friends, today we are giving you another gem out of the Eclectic Medical School. Now you know, and you have already gone through the last video about the arnica and rastox, which is liked by all of you. I am thankful for that. In this video, you can consider this at the second part of that video, and the link of that video will be given above or maybe in the description box as it can be created, so you can refer that video also. Now we have discussed about the arnica. As just to recapitulate, let me tell you that arnica is where the tissue gets ruptured and beneath that blood comes. So you will initially, when there is a damage to the tissue and in the muscle, you will see that there are blue hue spots which at the time slowly that matures into black color, where exactly arnica is used. Now what are the incidents when arnica can be used? Somebody fallen from some vehicle, the body gets impacted, or the door just like that rushes you, or you have a huge fight and somebody with a stick hits you, or a car hits you, or a motorcycle hits you. In all these conditions, muscles get damaged heavily. Whenever muscle gets damaged heavily and internal tissues break down, and the main symptom, please remember that the main symptom is that underneath the tissue you will see the green, first of all the blue hue, and then it's get black. As soon as you understand that and you have severe pains, what is the management at that time? Management is you immediately take arnica for the repair of the tissue, and for the pain management, in addition, the rastox. What are the doses? Doses has already been discussed in that video and in detail. You kindly please revisit that. I would recommend you. Now there is a dual thing. What is that? Dual thing is that now we are talking in the case of rastox. It is what the rastox patient always tries to move. The motion helps him. The motion helps him in what sense? In case if he moves and changes his posture here and there, folding his legs or something like that, it relieves the pain. He feels better. But we are here giving you a just opposite picture of the combination of rastox and arnica. We are here in this video, we are talking about Calmia latifolia and gelsemium togetherness. Why it is different? Please remember, the most important part is that muscular rheumatism, when the parts are hot, you feel it is like, if you ask the patient or yourself, you will feel that it is going deep, means sometimes it is going up, sometimes pain is coming down, and pain is not in a parallel line, it is not uniform. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it comes down, but within a narrow range of frequency. It is not that you feel, oh, it is all right, no problem, and sometimes you will just cry, oh, I cannot bear. No, not that frequency. It is always, I just cannot bear, but sometimes he can talk to you, and at sometimes he will just cry with the pain. That's where the frequency lies. Here we are talking about Calmia latifolia and Gelsemium. Please remember, both to be taken in mother tincture. You must be remembering that earlier we talked, there is a phi sign, the phi sign. Now what is the symptoms? Symptoms is muscular rheumatism again, which is present in the rustox, but no blood within the tissue. Then only arnica comes in the picture. If there is no rupture of the tissue and the muscle and there is no blood, but there is high level of rheumatism, high level of pain, you will say, no, I cannot move, I am sorry, I cannot move. But if you move, you feel better, then in that case it is rustox. But here, if I touch you and I make you walk, you will just cry because you cannot walk. So then comes Calmia latifolia. Now, so what is that? You understand the difference? Muscular rheumatism, when parts are hot, swollen, it will be swollen, and then pain darting wards on motion. If you try to move your hands, legs where this rheumatism has come, in the calf muscles, in the biceps, in the triceps, in the chest muscles, or anywhere else, muscular rheumatism must be there, but it will in such a way that the patient do not want to move at all. If there is a pain in the leg, suppose you walk for a long distance, you generally do not walk, or you all of a sudden you thought, I will do some exercise, so you do cycling, yachting, or anything else, dumbbell, barbell, you do, and you get sprain in the whole body. But movement, as soon as you move, the pain goes down. What is that? It is a rustox. But in this case, if you are sitting or you are lying, you are okay. The moment you try to move, the patient will just cry. In that case, it is Calmia latifolia and Gelsemium together. And what is the dose? Dose is, both are the mother tincture, as I told you. Calmia latifolia 3 tablespoons and Gelsemium 3 tablespoons, mix with 120 ml of water and take 1 teaspoon every half an hour. I think you got it. So before you go, you kindly subscribe my channel, and I would request to put the bell icon on so that you get the notification, and please do not forget to comment. Thank you very much. I hope you will be liking this short video.